Hi everyone, today we are back with another video of cinnamon. So many people have used cinnamon. Our grandparents, our grandmothers, our mothers, even now our generations, we are using cinnamon. God has given us so many natural things to use in order not to suffer. So cinnamon, one of the best ways to use cinnamon is use it in the morning when you're moving out of the house. You get my point? Use it in the morning when you're leaving the house. So you can get a pinch of cinnamon, or you can get a spoon of cinnamon, half a spoon of cinnamon. You mix it in water. When you mix it in water, mix it very well and wash your face. Wash your face. Leave the water cinnamon to dry on your face for 5 minutes before you apply your lotion. And whenever you wash your face with cinnamon water, you can say these words: I'm moving out of the house. It's going to be a great day. I'm going to get money. I want my business to have a lot of customers, to have a lot of money. I don't want to sit the whole day without any customer. I want to sit the whole day. I want to be very busy working on customers. So you manifest those words. Meanwhile, you're smearing cinnamon water in the face, or you can even bathe cinnamon water, like the whole body. And meanwhile, whenever you bathe that water, you'll be manifesting those words. You'll be manifesting those same words. I'm washing this body. I'm manifesting to get money from work. I'm manifesting to have a great day at work. I'm manifesting to have clients at my business or at work. So cinnamon is the best thing. You can be using it every day, or you can be using it like twice a week or thrice a week, depending how you want to use cinnamon. So another best way to use cinnamon, for example, like you're going to work and you want to get money, get sticks of cinnamon and you put them in your wallet or put them in your bag. I swear that's a favor. That's a favor of money, favor of clients. Whenever you get it, because it attracts money, it attracts clients, it's favor. It's a blessed favor. It comes in all corners. You understand? It comes in all corners of life. Favor in money, favor in clients, favor in business. So cinnamon is the best answer for you. Get sticks of cinnamon and put them in your wallet, and you'll be moving with them in your wallet or in your bag. Another way to use cinnamon, in case like you're going for a job interview, put sticks of cinnamon in shoes. For example, you're going for a job interview like maybe today, and the job interview is like maybe around 9 or 8. You put those cinnamon, a piece, or you can use that powdered one, and you put it in shoes. It should be closed shoes, not open shoes, because when you put on those shoes, you're attracting favor. The interviewers to have favor upon you. Trust me, you get that job because you already have the favor. You're already manifesting the favor. Cinnamon alone is manifesting the favor for you on your part. So put cinnamon in shoes before you go for a job interview. And before you go for a job interview, when you're putting cinnamon in shoes, manifest what the interviews to be. You want the interviews to be very organized in your favor. You want all the interviewers or people on the panel to favor you. You want people on the panel to have mass on you. You want the interviewer to just like you, to favor you in whatever answers you're giving them. Trust me, cinnamon is the best answer for you, and it's going to work for you for the job interview. So people who have people who have businesses. In case you have a business, a salon business, grocery business, any business, boutiques, name it, whatever business it is, you get cinnamon, you put it in a bucket, a mopping bucket. You can first mop your floor. You mop with your floor with water, with water or liquid soap or whatever. After mopping the floor, get cinnamon, you put it in a bucket, you also pour water, then you mop the floor, you wipe whatever you're going to sell. You understand? And whenever you're wiping those things, whenever you're cleaning the floor, you're cleaning the tables, you're wiping your businesses. For example, in the morning you've opened up and the machines are dirty, or the floor is dirty, or whatever is dirty, you just mop using that cinnamon water. So cinnamon water, and whenever you're mopping, you have to say those words: I attract customers, I manifest customers, I manifest money, I like money, let money come on my way. You understand? So just keep on manifesting whatever you are manifesting. And please, and whenever you're manifesting it, believe, have faith. Whenever you manifest something, have faith that it's going to work, have faith it's working, have faith and believe, and always have hope. So those are the best ways to use cinnamon. Cinnamon is the best answer for you. And as right now, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. I love you all, and go down in the comment section if this remedy has worked for you. Bye. See you in the next video.